I have 10 Amazon unique and useful space-saving products for you, plus gadgets and some organizing finds. Anything I talk about here today will be linked in the description box below and pinned in the comments section. If you're watching from your TV or iPad, go ahead and scan the QR code on screen. It will take you to everything in this video. Nothing in this video is sponsored, and make sure you stick around until the end of this video to see a game-changing product that I cannot believe I've been living without. No joke. If you're a fan of traditional espresso, cappuccinos, or lattes, but don't want to spend the money at the cafe or Starbucks, then it's time you check out this espresso machine. The best part, it's space-saving design. You know I love that. This is so user-friendly, especially in those early mornings. 3 illuminated buttons let you choose between a single or a double shot and an option to froth your milk. Pick from a single or double shot of espresso and watch the magic unfold. Frothing milk is simple as well. Pour your milk into the stainless steel pitcher. This is sold separately, but I have it linked for you down below. Press the froth option and flip the switch. Your froth milk and cappuccino is ready to go and enjoy. It not only tastes amazing, but saves me time and money. With the kids back at school, mornings can be quite hectic, and that's where the Mellow Sleep training alarm clocks have been a game changer for our family. My 2 older kids are up and out of bed as soon as they hear the alarm, making mornings so much smoother. My younger 2, well, they're still getting the hang of it. What I really love is how the clock has both sleep and wake settings with multiple color options that create a calming environment at night. And the green light is a genius feature. It signals when it's time to get out of bed without having to use the alarm, which is perfect for those days when you want a gentler start. And it's more than just an alarm clock. It's a tool that helps create healthy sleep habits. So it's not just for sleep training. It's a handy timer for other activities too. And right now on Amazon at the time of filming, this is currently 23% off. This is a must-have, especially in our home. I cannot say enough good things about these drawer organizing dividers. They truly have been a game changer in our house. I started using them in my daughter's room, and the difference was so noticeable that I had to get some for my boy's room too. Now their socks and underwear are neatly organized and super easy to access for them. These dividers aren't just for kids' rooms either. They work great for organizing adult drawers too. I love them, especially if it's lingerie, socks, ties, or belts. The material is surprisingly durable, and I love that they're collapsible, so when I need to store them away, it's a breeze. I've been using these dresser drawer dividers for quite some time now, like several years, and they've been so beneficial for keeping my daughter's drawers organized. I also added one to my youngest daughter's drawer to separate her skirts and shorts, which has made it so much easier for her to pick out her own clothes. These dividers are super easy to install with their adjustable locking system, and the soft padding ensures that they stay in place. I love that they're multifunctional and can be used in kitchen drawers to organize my utensils. These organizers adapt to whatever you need, and the possibilities are endless. Absolutely love these. And right now on Amazon, these are currently 10% off. Make sure you click the checkbox right next to it so that you can save the most amount of money. I can't tell you how much I appreciate having the Simple Life shoe cleaning kit around, especially with how often we're washing shoes in my house. What I love most is how compact it is, which is perfect for grabbing on the go or storing in a small space. The instant foam cleaner is dispensed with a little pressure, and you can see how quickly it starts working. With school just starting, I definitely can't be sending my boys off with shoes that look like they've been rolling around in the mud, at least for the first day. And yes, my husband is even cleaning baseball cleats because, as he says, when you look good, you feel good and you're more confident. Plus, the kit includes a microfiber towel that easily wipes away the foam and dirt without any mess, leaving their shoes looking fresh and ready to go. And right now on Amazon, this is on sale for a limited time deal, 21% off, so just about $13. Definitely worth it in my opinion. If you're looking for an incredible hair product for yourself or your kids, look no further. I've been using this olive oil styling gel in my girls' hair, and I absolutely love the look and performance it provides. As you know, both of my girls are in dance, which means I'm constantly doing their hair for practice and recitals. This styling gel gives just the right amount of hold without being too sticky, and the olive oil helps to moisturize their hair, leaving it with a beautiful shine. Plus, it's made in the USA, which is always a bonus. And the price on this is unbeatable, my friend. 28% off right now, just $5. And this is going to last you quite some time. I have to say, I just love this jewelry box. It's an absolute space saver for organizing my accessories. With 5 layers, there's plenty of space to neatly store my necklaces, earrings, rings, bangles, and more without things getting tangled or lost. The large transparent glass window adds such an elegant touch, making it easy to see inside at a glance, and it gives the whole box a luxurious vibe. The metal handle and delicate velvet lining are just the cherry on top, making it feel like a truly high quality piece that's going to last. And right now on Amazon, for a limited time, there is a 10% off coupon, so make sure you check that box. I've been trying out these active washing machine cleaner tabs, and they've quickly become a staple in my monthly cleaning routine. And by the way, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, because I am going to be doing some clean with me videos coming up where I will share with you in real time tips and tricks I use to keep my house organized and tidy as a family of 6 and 4 small children. Back to these cleaner tabs. They do a fantastic job of removing residue and getting rid of any unwanted odors from the washing machine. Super easy and effective. Just like with their dishwasher tablets, I wouldn't recommend running 2 cycles back to back, even if the packaging suggests it. It can lead to a ton of soap bubble buildup, which might cause issues with your machine. So stick to using just 1 tablet every 2 to 3 weeks and you'll be good to go. These tablets are also on sale for a limited time deal. So 19% off, $28. Steals and deals, my friend. And by the way, if you're not following me on Instagram at Andrea Jean Cleaning, make sure that you do, especially be on the lookout for Instagram stories where I share the best deals and tips and tricks. I'll link my Instagram handle in the description box below. I want to talk about something I've been using lately that's really impressed me. These 3M Easy Trap Sweep and Dust Sheets. I'll be honest, I was a bit skeptical at first. Could these really be that different from the usual dusting products? But after giving them a good run, I have to say, these sheets do work. They do an amazing job of picking up dust and debris, and here's the kicker. They actually hold onto it. They have a light adhesive that grabs onto the dust and debris without leaving any sticky mess behind. Plus, they're super easy to attach to your existing floor or dusting tools. So there's no need to go out and buy a bunch of new equipment. Saves you time, effort, and money. This is also on sale for a limited time, 24% off, so just about $16. And now the product you've been waiting for, and I cannot believe it's taken me this long to look for something like this. You know when you just deal with problems in your life and you get them to them? Well, I've got a solution. If you've ever had to deal with those annoying little fruit flies, you know how quickly they can take over your kitchen. I recently placed one of these little apple traps next to our fruit, and let me tell you, they really work. I would have fruit flies all the time because I always keep bananas in my kitchen for banana bread or chocolate chip banana muffins, so I've been dealing with fruit flies. Not anymore. The best part is that these traps are super easy to use. They come ready to go with a non-staining lure that draws in the adult fruit flies. Once they're inside, they're not coming back out. Each trap lasts up to 45 days, so you get a solid 90 days of protection from just 1 pack. I'm not even joking when I say this. Like, this actually works. I am so incredibly impressed. I also love the design. It's shaped like a little apple, which actually looks kind of cute sitting on the counter. To get the most out of these traps, you want to place them near fruit bowls, trash cans, or your sink. Overall, if you're dealing with a fruit fly problem, these traps are definitely worth trying. Right now on Amazon, these are 17% off, so just about $13. Worth every penny in my opinion to not have fruit flies flying all around your kitchen. Have you signed up for the free weekly newsletter? If not, I'm going to link it in the description box below and pin it in that comments section. And click the video on screen now to keep the fun going. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.